Hey everybody, your guy ScottyG here. Today we're going to do a little kitchen work. I like to have some omelets for breakfast in the morning, so I'm going to show you how I do this. Just going to take a couple of eggs. I happen to like some of these veggies. I had some red onion, tomato, and orange bell pepper. Toss in a little cheese and bacon, and we'll make a ScottyG omelet. Check it out. Alright, so while my pan is heating up, I'll get these eggs going. I like these brown cage-free eggs. Give it a little crack. I'm going to make mine with 2. And of course, a guy always needs a paper towel, because that might do good work, but I'm a little messy. Now me personally, I like a teeny drop of milk in my eggs. And I don't know why, a lot of times when people are making omelets, they just mix the eggs up, which is pretty cool. Sometimes they drop in a little bit of water, but I just like a little bit of milk. Adds a different consistency. So on this side, well, my pan is starting to heat up. Over there, drop in this pat of butter, so we got lots of nice butter. Let that melt down. And of course, you can make this with anything you want to on the inside, but I'll show you with everything I got as soon as that butter's melted, how I shake this puppy up. When I got that butter melted, but not too burning yet. I've done that before in the past. And yeah, while it's there, I'm just gonna put a little salt, a little fresh pepper. And because I put so much butter in, you can see how easy that moves around. So we're just gonna keep doing this. You can see it start to thicken it up a little bit. Right? You can see in there where it's getting a little thicker. Swirl it around. Got to get all the egg cooked as much as you can in this direction, which works out well. Speaking of which, grab my little tool I might need in a minute or two. Just kind of knock that edge down a little bit. I know, everybody's like, yo, SG, what are you doing? Because that's the weirdest looking thing ever. Let's see how it's starting to thicken up. Makes it really nice, thin. Really nice, thin, delicious tasting omelet when I'm all done. Like the fastest 2-3 minutes. And I cut everything already. That makes it a lot easier when you cut all your veggies. I don't have to, occasionally I've done them while this is cooking up. But even on this glass top, see, I can just keep shaking it and rolling because I put so much butter on it. Even in this non-stick pan, sometimes eggs stick, right? So we can just let that cook up. I'm on medium-high heat, about 7 on this stove. Still flopping around a little bit more. Some people like them runny. You could do it now. I'm not the runniest egg guy, but sometimes omelets turn out that way, which is all right. Everybody has their own little thing, so I can just let that sit there and bubble up for a minute. Right? It's getting bubbling. Oh, look at that. When I tip it, nothing comes out. So that part's about finished as far as I'm concerned. Now what I'll do next is, like I said, I already cut these up. I got some tomato, orange bell pepper, a little onion. A little shredded cheese here. A little pre-mixed provolone and mozzarella. I'll give a shout out to Kroger bacon bits. This is like you just chopped up the bacon. I'm telling you what, that stuff is to die for. Everybody does this different. I'm a little old school, so I just flip it. So you've got that nice golden brown. And you'd be like, SG, what's that all about? Well, I gotta make toast. So let R2-D2 do his job. I know you guys don't got that before. Yep. And I'm just gonna cover that up. You know, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top of that. Sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top before I cover it up, because I kind of like cheesy stuff. Do that. Take it off the heat, push it off to the side. Wait for the toast to pop up. I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, I think that means my toast is done enough for me. Alright, well, if I did this right, it just slides right off the pan. Yeah, looking pretty good. I like my toast very, very lightly toasted. Could have toasted a little bit longer, but voila, omelet. Takes me less than like 3 minutes. I gotta go eat, guys. See ya.